Hi to everybody. Once again, this is Brij Yadav from Ahmedabad at the riverfront of Dholera Smart City. I'm giving this all informations not on the basis of certain data, but practically I'm taking a round here, I'm taking a walk and just shooting it off. This is a riverfront has been developed on Dholera. This is another water tank. You can see thousands of water tanks like this. These are my guests, Mr. Sharma, Vijayan Sharma. These are the people I came along with them, and I would suggest, in fact, max of the peoples to come and have a piece of land here, so that it could be a great investment for your generation, for your children's, grandchildren's. It takes 5 to 10 years, 15 years max to reach your invest in multifolds. These are certain areas where I can shoot. Actually, I cannot reach to the entire area because it is around 940 square kilometers, and so it is next to impossible for me to reach out everywhere. It takes around 2 days to complete the total journey if you use your car. You can see the roads here. The roads are very much clear, and I mean neat and clean. You can see this light, street lights, road lights, side lights, and all these areas. You can see I don't know how long it can catch, camera can catch. So these are the roads, and you can see there's so many industries are under development. There's so many projects are under development. Torrent Power is there. They have the office that side actually, and this is a square actually from where I take this turn, right turn, when you entered from the activation zone. So I takes a right turn, then you reach to the riverfront point. This is the way, is the riverfront point. So again, this is another side. As long as I can see, but there's no, I cannot see the end of the road. It is so lengthy, and this way again, it is this way. There's so many, I mean, companies are working, contractors are doing their job very well, and it is superb, ultimate. City is under development actually. Let us take an example of Mumbai and Delhi. Even I would say, see, this is at the infant stage, but in coming up like 25, 30, 50 years, or for the next generation, it will be the best city ever, better than the Hong Kong and Shanghai. Okay, this is the Silk Route Park. Okay, okay, this was the total unprotected land, but now we see the plants are growing here, the greenery is developing. It's all, see, this is Sky Route Park, and here it is a board, canal front. Okay, this is written something in English and Hindi, sorry, in Gujarati. This is canal front board, so you can check out the canal this way. Okay, I would suggest max of the people to invest here. In fact, this is the best investment, because when I came here in 2013, the land was very cheap. That time I thought of not to be entering into this area because there was no development at all. But now the land cost is gone up high like anything. It is around starting from 6 lakh rupees biga up to 50 lakhs rupees biga. That too out of the SIR zone, that is special investment region zone. So I would suggest ki this is the time to take an initiative and invest. And you can contact me. Myself is Brij Yadav. I'll send my contact number in the description box. You can take it and you can call me up anytime for detailings. If anybody is interested in buying land, plots, or any sort of the projects. See, look at this development. We are showing this. This is again fantastic. Okay, see, these are the guy. It is around 14 kilometers lengthy. Wow.